very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The representatives of the educational community of the Salesian Agricultural School of Catamo, of the Universities of Vina del Mar and Las Americas, of the National Botanical Garden, the technical teams of OTEC Pro, Okinkegua, Synapses RMGM, La Similar Foundation, the Ministerial Regional Secretary for Agriculture and the Mayor of Catamo have signed a collaboration agreement for the creation of the first regional agro-ecological information center. Professor Jose Maria Diaz Fuentes, who has been working for almost 3 decades at the St. Domenico Savio Salesian School in Ubeda, has been awarded the Global Teacher Award, a prestigious international recognition assigned by the AKS Group through its AKS Education Awards, which aim to give credit to the excellence of teachers around the world. Free to Leave, Free to Stay was a 3-year campaign 2017 to 2020 of the Italian Episcopal Conference CEI aimed at raising awareness among the Italian population on the issue of migration and carrying out development projects in the countries of departure, transit and reception of migrants, especially the most vulnerable. The Salesian Vocational Training Center in Castel de Britti near Bologna was one of the locations for its implementation. On 11 November, the first young people of the 6th year of secondary school returned to the courtyards of Don Bosco in Bahia Blanca to share various socio-educational activities. The school management implemented all the protocols necessary for a safe return to school. The young people were divided into groups of 10 and located in the different courtyards. They expressed their great emotion for the joy of being together again. They were then able to share their experiences of the long period of confinement with teachers and staff and dip their hands in the paint to leave their footprints on the wall in memory of their return to Don Bosco. The person responsible for vocational animation and pre-novices of the Slovenian province SLO, Father Klemen Balazic SDB, welcomed the idea of organizing monthly meetings with the young Salesians of the province who are in formation or studying abroad in international Salesian centers. On November 15th, on the Zoom platform, the meeting of the group of Salesians and pre-novices from the Good Shepherd House in Ljubljana, Rakovnik took place, with the trainee Tomas from Zelimple, the philosophy student Doment from Nave, Italy, the theology students Gregor and Damijan from Turin, Crosetta, and the Salesian brothers Vilmos from Barcelona. There was no lack of exchanges of news, information and opinions on the subjects of study, work and Salesian life. After some digital interactive sessions, the meeting ended with prayer and blessing with the hope that a live meeting will be possible during the Christmas holidays. On 4th October, the closing ceremony of the patronage Don Bosco took place, organized by the Salesian parish of Rucago. Father Rafael Katanga SDB, chaplain for the parish young people, presided over the Eucharistic celebration, in which he stressed that Don Bosco's goal of forming good Christians and upright citizens is the same as today's Salesians. Over 400 young people took part in the event. Divided into teams, they showed their talents, distinguishing themselves for the spirit of creativity and innovation. The patronage is based on the pastoral dynamics that offers, according to a chosen theme, quality activities rooted in faith and capable of developing the talents of young people, promoting their integral development. The annual meeting of the Youth Ministry delegates of the East Asia Oceania region was held on the Zoom platform from 10 to 13th November with 16 participants. Father Miguel Angel Garcia, General Counsellor for Youth Ministry, and Father Patrick Anthony Raj from the Youth Ministry team animated the session. Father Joseph Nguyen Thin Phuoc, Counsellor for the East Asia Oceania region, also took part in the last 3 days of the meeting. Through presentations, group work, surveys and sharing, the main themes of the meeting were discussed. The second phase was set for February 22nd to 23rd, 2021. The proposal to initiate coordination of the Salesian youth movement in the region was welcomed and accepted. International Students' Day is celebrated today. The date of November 17 was chosen in memory of the events in Prague in 1939 when 9 students were executed for opposing Nazism. Today, this day is a student celebration which takes place to claim the right to study and the right of students to express themselves. Today, the best wishes go to all the students of Salesian schools and vocational training centers around the world. As an implementation of the fifth priority of a rector major for the 6-year period, that is, together with lay people in the mission and information, a long-term training of lay members for Don Bosco media team was organized by our provincial Father Saw Charles Thai Hunt Lin SDB and the MYM Social Communication Commission at Don Bosco, Calais on 1st August 2020. Only 5 young men were carefully chosen from our different communities. The purpose of this course is to train some young people to promote Salesian activities and evangelize other young people through social media. It is a well-planned course and it will last for 12 months. Missionary Talk is a Zoom assembly of Salesian missionaries together with the Salesian lay volunteers FIN, members of the Salesian family FMA, Salesian cooperators, lay mission partners, Bosconians and Oratorians and our very own Salesians and our novices. The event became an opportunity to see, listen and interact with our missionaries even if they are in the respective countries of mission, Lithuania, Manus, Brazil, Nazareth, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Cambodia, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands are represented. No less than the General Counselor for the Missions Animation, Father Alfred Maravilla SDB, was present to share some inspiring message for the participants. Father Gary Martin SDB, FIN Provincial Superior, was also present to challenge the group. Father Arvind Abatayo SDB of the FIS province and his Salesian lay volunteers Salvo joined the activity as well. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.